Hey guys, so today we are going to be packing for Mary Kay's seminar. How exciting! We've been waiting all year for this and now we get to go. So first thing is I'm going to lay out my clothes that I'm going to be wearing on the airplane with my shoes, my purse, and my notepad. In my purse I just have my passport and my earphones and just anything else that I need on the plane. Okay, so I already packed just to show you guys what it looks like, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out one by one so I can show you in more details. On this side, I have my towel and my hair towel. I have my straightener for those flyaways and just a pack of chargers for my phone, for my AirPods, for my watch. And on my travel roller bag, I have my cotton balls and my Q-tips, my facial and my microdermabrasion, all my makeup that I'm going to be wearing. And here's, just the rest of my toiletries like toothbrush, deodorant, my hairbrush, and my hair ties and everything that I need. Moving down here, I have all my shoes that I'm going to be taking. And obviously that includes my tennis shoes that I'm going to be wearing on the plane for the manufacturing tour that we're going to take. I'm going to stay really comfortable. So before I move on to what's inside my packing cubes, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is the travel season packing cubes, and you can find them on Amazon. They're 6 pieces and they're waterproof for only $10. So check that out. Also, the luggage that I am using is the Tag Vector, and you can find these at Macy's. Right now, they have a 3-piece set, a larger one of this one, the carry-on, and a duffel bag. And you can get those 3 at Macy's for only $120, and the original price is $340. So take advantage of that deal while they have it. The smallest packing cube, I had 2 pajamas, I had my bras, tons of underwear. I love to over-prepare on underwear just because. And then my socks, and that all fit in this packing cube. Here are all my clothes laid out. On the first day, we're going to be going on the manufacturing tour, so I'm just going to be wearing some nice leggings and a nice blouse. On the actual day that we have the seminar, I'm just going to be taking one dress, and then for the evening, I'm just taking a dress, for dinner if anything goes on. Same thing for the third day. I'm just going to be taking a dress for the seminar and then a dress just for dinner. And I just like to take an extra dress just in case I want to switch something out. And then on the last day we leave, so I'm just taking 2 shirts just in case and some leggings to be comfortable on the plane. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just comment down below on what else to pack, or if you were just confused on anything that I have said. Bye!